Hello guys, welcome to my live stream. I hope you can hear my voice. Let me just check it out if I am in live or not. Then I'm gonna start the today's live stream session with all of you guys who are attending. Let me just quickly check it out, okay? I'm gonna super quickly check it out live stream if I am in live or not. Then I'm gonna just start. Yes, I think I am in live. It's okay. It's all okay. Yeah, it's good. Now let me check it out if my sound is okay. Let's see from that if my sound is okay or not. Yes, I think my sound is okay now. I just checked it out. No problem. Okay, so we are gonna start. Just wait a second. Let me just check it out if I am in live or not in the other. Just quickly check it out for you guys. Yes, guys, I am in live in for all. Yes, it is good. So let's just start the today. So guys, today we're gonna talk about project airdrop. I mean the startup initial free offering SuiNS. The ticker is NS. Okay. Today we are going to talk about the startup free offering project SuiNS. Let me just deploy the red packets. Then I'm going to start the today's live stream session with all of you guys who are attending it. Just wait a bit. Let's just send a red packet. Technical problems. Yeah, now it is good. Let's go. That's what I had. Good. So I welcome every one of you who are joining the today's live stream session. Thank you for joining in, and let's start the today's live stream with all of you guys attending. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about the startup free offering project of the SuiNS. Okay, and of course, as the name suggests, the project is based on. Okay, of course we're gonna talk about it. I think it is based on the Sui. Yes, it is based on the Sui network token. I mean the Sui ecosystem. Okay, so first of all, I am going to show it to you the introduction of the project. Then we're going to talk about the other things in the later segment of the today's live stream. Okay, guys, let me just quickly introduce you to this new project that is going to be listed in the gate.io, and will be listed by the ending of the startup. Okay, and the startup will be ending by like 1 day and 18 hours or 59 minutes remaining from now on. So if you watching the live stream, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Okay. Let me just quickly edit out. Yeah, it's all good now. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about the SuiNS project. Let me just quickly give you a small short description about the SuiNS project. Okay, after that I am gonna jump into the brief description of the SuiNS project. So guys, just stay tuned with. I hope you will enjoy the today's live stream session as well. Okay, now it is good. So as you can check it out here in the project introduction part, okay, here is the short introduction here. Let me just read it out. The SUI name service SNS revolutionize digital identity by offering a seamless, decentralized, and user-friendly platform for managing domain names on the SUI blockchain. It provides a secure and immutable way associate human readable names with complex blockchain addresses, enhancing user experiences and accessibility. Short introduction of the today's project. So let me just jump into the next section here. Okay, wait a second. So it in here says Piston Labs founder. The founder is Piston Labs. Okay. Let me just read out the details that have been provided here. Okay, let's see. Miston Labs is the initial contributor to SuiNS. The founder of the Miston Labs include Ivan Chang, CEO, Adini Idon, CPO, Sam Blackshear, CTO, George Denigis, Labs is the original contributor to Sui, the Layer 1 blockchain and smart contract platform. The mission of Miston Labs is to create fundamental foundational structure for the decentralized internet. The short info. Of course, we're going to jump into the overall brief description about the today's project. So, guys, just stay tuned with me. As you can check it out, the information for the startup. Okay, the startup purchase price is 0 USDT. Okay, so that's good. And the startup supply is like 300,000, 300,000, 33,000, 300,000 and 33 100 and 333 NS. That's the startup supply, and the rule, as always, it will be 100% after the startup concluded. Okay, I hope you got it. And of course, let me just check it out, the highlights and vision of the projects. What's the vision of this project, SuiNS? Okay, with SuiNS, users can effortlessly transfer, update, and secure their digital identities, ensuring privacy and control. Its integration with iOS blockchain ecosystem fosters interoperability with and innovation, making SuiNS an indispensable tool for developers, business, and individuals seeking to simplify their interactions with blockchain technology while maintaining the highest security standards. That's some good and strong highlights and vision. Okay. So let's check it out, the token economics shortly. Okay. Of course, we're gonna jump into the brief description. No problem. Just stay tuned with me, guys. Okay. NS token is a governance token that provides control over the SUI NS. It will result in eventual control over the contract code as well as the SuiNS protocol treasury. In addition to the governance powers provided to the NS token, the platform will also provide a unique mechanism for rewarding NS token holders who participate in the votes. Furthermore, a staking contract will be built allowing users to stake their tokens from 1 to 12 months for increased voting power in governance. A proposal. From a utility perspective, the NS token will initially provide users the ability to purchase SuiNS names, including premium names, at a discounted cost. Thank you everyone for joining out. Hey Emily, how are you? Thank you for joining out the live stream session. With today's gonna live stream session gonna be a very informative session with all of you guys who are attending it. Okay, so just don't miss the chance, guys, to get some good information about the project and jump into join in. Hey, thank you, everyone. Technical overview. Okay, let me just give you a quick short description about the technical overview of the project SuiNS. SuiNS contracts on the Sui blockchain manage decentralized domain registration and resolution. They leverage smart contracts to handle domain ownership, transfers, and name to address mappings, ensure efficient trustless interactions between users and the blockchain. The NS is designed for the scalability and fast. What is it? I think there is some fast. What is it? Intuition or transaction? That is the. Thank you for your. Stay tuned with me. We are gonna be use awesome project SuiNS with all of you guys who are joining the live stream. Thank you, Diablo, for joining out. Hello there, Diablo. I hope you are doing very well. How are you doing, Diablo? So let's jump into the token allocation. Okay, the token allocation is very simple. It had already simplified in the startup page. Let's just quickly give you a short description about it. What do you say, guys? Okay. So the token allocation, the foundation treasury, market makers grants 35%, and the investor allocation is like 10.93%, and code development, liquidity distribution, investment is like 3.5%. Early team members, core builders is like 7.5%. Tokens dedicated to reward community for governance voting 5%, and governance controlled treasury to be used through community vote for the long-term viability of SuiNS like 22.07%, and initial airdrop is like 10%. That's the simple token allocation that have been mentioned here. Of course, we're going to talk about it, no problem, briefly. Okay, let's jump into the brief description of about the today's project. Okay, thank you everyone for joining us. No problem, just stay tuned for some great information to come in the next segment of the today's video. I just give you a short introduction of the project. Let me just jump into the brief introduction of the today's project. That name is SuiNS and the token ticker is NS. Hey, thank you everyone for joining out the live stream session. So, of course, we are going to talk about how you can participate. No problem. Today's main topic is Gateio startup initial free offering SuiNS, and of course, I'm gonna give you a detailed information about the project SuiNS. How you can participate in here. Of course, we are gonna talk about it, but let me just give you the brief description about the today's project NS. Okay, guys. Okay. So the SuiNS startup participation rules. Of course, we are gonna check out all the participation rules after I have just give you the brief description of this project. Okay, let me just check it out. Okay, the duration is like 7 a.m. on the November 12th, and it will be ended by the 7 a.m. on the November 14th, and of course, it will be in the UTC time zone. Of course, 2024. Okay, and orders placed by qualified users with the subscription period will be treated equally. That's good. Trading starts 11 a.m. on November 14th UTC time zone, of course, and it will be in this year 2024. And the trading pair available for the SuiNS is NS USDT, and the fundraising goal is like 30,000 USDT. The startup supply is like 333 NS, okay, and the unlocking goal is 100% up. And the participation requirements, of course, complete KYC2 verification, and the value of spot asset balance held is not less than 10 USD. And startup participation rules, of course, we are going to check out the participation rules. Let me just proceed with the project introduction part, then we are going to jump into the participation rules and all the startup rules that you need to know. Okay, so let's jump into the project brief introduction, and I have already give you a short introduction of this project. The Sui name service SNS revolutionized digital identity by offering seamless and decentralized and user-friendly platform for managing domain names on Sui blockchain. That is the main thing for the today's project, SuiNS. And the token name is like SuiNS, that is the token name, and the token symbol is NS. Okay, and of course the maximum supply is like 500 000 and 000 NS. That's the maximum supply. Okay, and of course the token type is, that means this token is based on the Sui blockchain. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay. So the token contract, there is also mentioned the token contract address. You can also just click the token and address, contract address, and you will be redirected to the Sui scan, and of course the token contract address of the SuiNS. Okay, so let's jump into the let's check it out the here what is it mentioned. Okay. So as you can check it out that this is the contract address of the SuiNS. Okay, I hope you got the contract address. This is the contract address, and of course there is the project name Sui name service, and the coin name is SuiNS token, and the coin symbol is NS. Okay, and of course you need to check it out. That is the total supply of here. Got it. It is like 500 million. Okay, 500 million NS total supply, and of course the maximum supply of the it is, and of course this it is not listed yet, that's why the holder is very low here, but after it is listed and starts trading, the number will increase of the holders, and of course all the things, and the decimal is 6. And you can check it out the transaction blocks that have been already been here. You can check it out here, no problem. Of course, you can check it out the holders of the token who are holding the SuiNS tokens. You can check it out all the addresses that have been holding the SuiNS token. I mean the NS token. Okay. Okay. And of course, guys, if you are new to the live channel, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Okay. And of course, if you have any question, you can also let me know in the comment section. So that is the altogether the information about that in the Swiss scan. Okay, you can check it out in the announcement page and get the link about it if you like to check it out. No problem, guys. And of course, if you have any question, you can drop your question about this project just the later part of the today's live stream session. Okay. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining out. Okay. Thank you for everyone. Nice comments. Okay. Okay. Carry on. The token distribution and the unlocked rules. The foundation treasury market maker grants like 35%. I think I have already given the information about the token distribution and the unlock rules of the SuiNS. Let me just check out the next segment. Okay, the next segment is like the website of the project NS. Let me just quickly check it out their website. Okay, so the project name as suggests is Sui naming service. Okay, and the token symbol is NS, and here it is. The website is also a very simple website. There's a good looking website I can see here. I think yeah, it is good, and you can check it out. That here it mentioned own your identity name service simplifies your on-chain life. Wow, great, great, great going. Of course, you can search for the Sui names as it's here. It is the search bar as you like to suggest the names. You can check it out by searching the names that have been already here. Okay, so I hope you got my point. Don't forget to check it out. Okay, of course you can search the name, and here it mentioned that like total names registered, total name like 280K names have been already registered, and of course total sub names created like 64K, and the Discord community is like let me check it out, the 88K. Wow, great, great going, huge community. I can huge community. Let me just deploy the red packet for you guys. Wait a second. Okay. And of course, guys, if you are new to the live stream channel, don't forget to like, comment, and follow the live stream session for some more exciting giveaway to come. Okay, guys. And of course, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to let me know in the comment area. Okay, I just deployed the red packet. Another one, guys, live stream that you guys live stream session. Wait a second. Yes, it is good. So I was in the SuiNS website page, and you can check it out here. That all the names have been registered here, and you can check it out all their website. Okay, claim your Aeon NFT. Wow, great. I didn't participate in here, but okay, no problem. You can check it out if like no the SuiNS website here, and you can check it out clearly. And the names are you know them. The name supports username standard. So wow, it means that it is a naming service. So you can just create your name on the blockchain, and of course address that. I think that's the thing. So you can of course check out their website, no problem. Let's jump into the is all about, okay, because we are gonna discuss about the brief description of the SuiNS Sui name service. Let's just jump. We can find any useful information or not. And the website is also looking very good. And of course, use your Sui name throughout our ecosystem. That means your Sui name can be used out all over the Sui. Very good here. And of course, there are many sectors: wallets, DeFi, gaming, infra, NFTs, security, socials. Okay, that is all the thing here. And of course, the Miston Labs, the founder also mention all the details about them, no problem. Web3 enables individuals and creators to have unprecedented ownership for their own data and content, but the tools to get there don't exist. But Miston is here, where the brightest mind solve the foundational problems to create tools for future. Okay, we make Web3 future viable and ready for mass adoption. Wow, that's a very good vision. Great one. Yes, I was in the um, and of course, if you have any okay. So I am in the Sui name service documentation. Let me just check it out there. Type I for your nice comment. Thank you, buddy, for dropping out your comments. So, name service documentation. Sui name service SuiNS documentation divided into two main sections: users and developers. The developer section provides integration details for adding Sui name service to your projects. The user section provides instruction on how to use SuiNS portal to register names and integrate them with your Web3 identity. Dashboard link in the top of nav bar to jump over to nav bar means navigation bar to jump over the SuiNS and register some names and configure the ones you have already owned. Okay, that's basically said that you can just check it out all the things in your dashboard. Okay, for user perspective that have been added here. So let me just proceed with the next thing, that is a developer that had been mentioned here. Of course, we're going to check out all the things one by one. No problem, guys. Just stay tuned with me. The SuiName service developer documentation integrates SuiName service SuiNS with your projects using either on-chain or off-chain resolutions depending on the particular use case. Okay, on great, great one. Okay, so active consent. What is it, Mahit? Let me just read it out to you guys. This is the list of the current active objects to interact with SuiNS. Look here for the latest update. Some active constants might change. These changes come from secondary packages Packages responsible for registering a name, renewing a name, and associate utilities. The core package cannot change, nor can the core SuiNS object. That is the mainnet, and of course, we're going to check out the mainnet. SuiNS deploys, authorize, and maintains following packages on mainnet. Okay, so that is the list of packages that have been following. Of course, it is or deploys and authorize all the things. Okay. Okay, so I was in the packages, and of course there are objects ID, and there have been already been mentioned here, and the SuiNS core V3, V2, V1, subnames, registration, renewal, utility setup, and discount package all have been managed in this one page. I think that is the thing. Okay, and of course there's the testnet option. The testnet is like SuiNS core, registration, renewal, utilities, setup, subnames, subname proxies, all the things that have been in the testnet. Okay, you can check it out there, document problem. Okay, so I was in the, yeah. Let me just proceed with my next segment. Okay, the integration part. So the integration with the SuiNS works in multiple ways. Okay, for dApps, you typically integrate SuiNS through off-chain resolution using remote procedural calls (RPCs). The calls enables you to interact with the Sui network on display names instead of addresses. For example, your RPCs might create transactions that send assets to names or show names instead of the addresses on a leader. Okay. And of course, there is a resolution works in two ways. Number one is lookup. A name can point to an address and object target address. Wow. Reverse lookup, an address can have a default name. So that is the resolution, and the resolution works in two ways that have all. So let me just proceed with the addresses. Lookup works with two types of addresses. Target address, the address that SuiNS names resolves to, or for example, a Sui might be point to x2, making 0x2 the target address for the example dot sui. Lookup resolution retrieves this information and the default address. Okay, the SuiNS name that the owner of a particular address has selected to represent that address. Okay, for example, if you own 0x2, and you can make example, you can make example.sui its default address. Now I got it. Okay, the owner must sign and execute a set default transaction to establish this connection. The default address resets anytime that target address changes. Okay, reverse lookup resolution retrieves this name. Okay, and SuiNS NFT ownership. Let me check out the Sui here. Okay, the off-chain resolution. Okay, let me just check out the NFT, SuiNS NFT ownership. Don't use ownership of the SuiNS NFT as a resolution method. Okay, the NFT is used as the key capability to change target addresses. Wow, that's good information I get here. Thank you, Git user, for your nice comment. Thank you for joining out the live stream session. Okay, thank you, Git user 1CD, B55D for joining out the live stream session. Okay, thank you, Git user, for your nice comment. Really appreciate that you have joined the live. Okay, so I was in the SuiNS NFT ownership. Now let me proceed with the off-chain resolution. The off-chain resolution have been already been provided here, and of there JSON RPC. The name is option resolution. Use the valuable Sui API endpoints. The number one is JSON RPC, and the second one is like GraphQL. That's the two option resolution that I did in A. So the on-chain resolution use the Sui NS core packages as dependency to own their sorry, to your own packages for on-chain resolutions. Use the following dependency on your move.tommy1 file depending on which network you are targeting. Okay, that's the basically the it. You can check it out, no problem. Okay, of course, all the necessary details have been provided here. Of course, if you have any question regarding the today's project, SuiNS, don't forget to drop your comment section. Okay. And of course, there is a caution mark have been here. You should integrate SuiNS on chain using the core package only. The utility package are likely to be replaced, rendering your logic non-functional unless you update your code with the each changes. Got it? Let me check out the subnames. Subnames are nested names. Nested names under a parent name, okay, unlike regular names. Just quickly check it out the comment section. Okay, wait a bit. Yes, it is all good. Yeah, yeah. There is not a cost associated with the creating subnames. The maximum nested depth is like 8 levels. The total depth, including the SLD and TLD, means the maximum total depth is like 10 levels. Okay, so that's the information got from here. In the meantime, let me check out the comment section if there are any comment, guys. Okay, I think go now. Let me just proceed with the next segment. Okay, the parent rules control whether you can get nested names or not. The parent rules can also allow a subname to extend expiration, match the parent's expiration. You can enter parent rules at any time, but revoking or burning follows the same rules that follow. Okay, got it. Now I got it. And thank you, every one of you, for joining out the live stream session. Okay, I really appreciate that you guys have been joining out the live stream session. Of course, if you have any comment regarding the today's project, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Okay, and of course, you can check out their the commentation in the from the announcement. So let me just check it out the subname types. Subnames can be one of two types, is node subnames and the leaf subnames. Okay, you can just check it out the node subnames and the difference between the capabilities and the all the category between the leaf names and the subnames. Okay, I hope you got it. And let me just check it out. The node subnames is like similar to regular names. They have an NFT associated with them that gives access for all extra features like personalization, avatars, and so on. And the leaf subnames, these are the subnames that are created under a node subname. Okay, they do not have an NFT associated with them, so their parent controls their configuration. Consequently, the typical use case for leaf subname is them programmatically. Okay, that is the thing. And you can also check it out their table that have been mentioned all the capabilities and of course the categories and of course the difference between the node subnames and the leaf subnames of the SuiNS, okay, project. Yes, now let me just check it out other things. Here it is mentioned the NFT has NFT can create children, node leaf, expiration, extended expiration, target address, reverse registry, revoke, burn, and the transfer ownership. All the things you can do here. No think. Guys, those who guys who are joining out, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. What do you think of today's live stream? Of course, you can let me know by the comment area. Okay, let me just deploy another red packet for you guys. Okay, now it is good. So SLD means the second level domain. For instance, example sui example.sui, that is the SLD. Okay, and integration similar to regular names. You can look up subnames through on JSON RPC and the GraphQL. You can also look up subnames on chain as described in integrations. Okay, of course you can check it out. Let me check out the indexing. Okay, what is the indexing was all about. The indexer enables more expressive queries about the active domains. Okay, domain state as the one on-chain resolution wasn't enough to power the interface. Okay, this allows for the complex queries such as get all subnames to a given parent Of course, the number two is that get all names pointing to a specified address. And you can check it out all the necessary details that have been provided in the documentation. You can find this link in the announcement. I hope you got the general idea what I am talking about here. And of course, for a deeper understanding of how the indexer works, you can check it out how to integrate into your projects. Refer to the SuiNS custom indexer document I did here in the announcement page. Now let me proceed with the SuiNS SDK. Okay, use the SuiNS SDK to interact with SuiName service, query SuiNS data in a usable way, and build transactions that interacted with the service names. Of course, there is the installation method they have been using the Misten Sui, and of course here the all the Misten Sui.js. Okay, I mean it is. I think it is the Node.js structure. And here is the all the thing burn yarn pnpm and then pm. You can check it out all of it in their documentation. Let me just proceed to the next thing. Okay, I think this is all the code running here. Okay, let me just jump into the next segment. So guys, what do you think about the SuiNS project? Don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's see what's opinion you have on the SuiNS project. Okay. And where I was, yes, I was in the querying. Okay, you can check it out all the query in the documentation of the SuiNS project in announcement page if you want the deeper understanding of it. Let me just jump to the transaction part. Okay, I want to check out the road. I don't know if I can find the roadmap here or not. Let me just quickly check it out. Okay, so the building transactions. Sui SuiNS transaction is the client used similar to transaction and helps in building a transaction. You need to what's instantiate it once in every programmable transaction block PTB that you are building. An available function list is registering a name, renewing a name, okay, seeing a name's target address. All of it is like here have been setting a name as a default, and of course creating subname. All the code have been mentioned here in the documentation. You can check it out quickly, no problem. Or of course if you have any question regarding this project information, you can also let me know in the comment section. Okay, there is the extending a subname's expiration, of course the creating a leaf subname, of course there is removing a leaf subname, and of course setting a name's metadata. Currently supports the avatar and IPFS hash. And of course burning an expired name allows burning an expired name to get back storage rebates. And all of the things combined example, all the things etc have been mentioned here. Okay, so that is the all the thing about the transaction that have been mentioned here in the SuiNS document. Hello friend, hello there John, thank you for joining out the live stream channel with me. I am fine. What about you, John V? Thank you for joining out, and thank you for your nice comment. Okay, for the examples, the example is like transferring any object to Sui and as name fully on chain. Okay, that is the. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to let me know your feedback about this project. Okay, what do you think about this project? Of course, you can let by the comment section. Hi BT for joining out the live stream session, and thank you for your nice comment. I am fine. What about you, buddy? How are you doing? Okay, now proceed. Let me proceed with the other things. Sui name service user documentation. Build your own chain identity in Web3 with Sui name service Sui NS. Using Sui NS, you can register a name and any name that isn't already registered. Okay, of course. That is the main thing, and use it for on-chain transactions. You can use Sui NS dashboard link in the top of the nav bar to jump over to SuiNS and register some names, configure the ones you already own. Okay, that is the. Thank you, Get Shiazi, for joining out. Thank you for joining out. is ATH of 89,000. Claim Dodge airdrops, then sign up for the event for $100 BTC rewards. Okay, guys, don't forget to claim the red packets. Okay, there is some interesting rewards. Of course, don't forget to claim it. And of course, dropping out the red packet. Okay, so that means that that is a SuiNS basically a naming service. Okay, you can just use your Web3 wallet to, and I mean in the Sui blockchain, of course, create a name, and your name will be used to signing a transaction, and of course you can send and receive the in the Sui blockchain. Okay, so that is basically means that SuiNS is deployed on the Sui blockchain, and of course Sui is a layer one, and SuiNS is based on ecosystem. And that is the basically summary of the project. Okay, so here it, and of course you can check it out the name that you have been deployed on the Sui naming service, that is SuiNS in the SuiNS dashboard. Here is the dashboard. I hope you can check it out. This is just above the website. Okay, I hope you check it out. Thank you everyone for joining out the live stream. That you have joined the live stream, and of course today's video is an live stream session is an informative session. Have any comment regarding the SuiNS documentation or any project, of course you can let me know in the comment. And there is the register name, how you can register a name in the SuiNS website. All the necessary things have been mentioned here. Okay, so, and of course you can check it out all the things that is mentioned there, how you can requirement and the cost and the registration period, all the things have been mentioned here. Just click, check it out. Okay, I hope you got it. Okay, renew names. You can also renew the names that you have been created on the SuiNS. Okay, simple. Just need to connect to wallet. Of course, you can check it out here. Already mentioned all the necessary steps. You can check it out. No problem. That is super easy, I think. And you can also update the Sui address, I think. So, of course, if you want to change the avatar, you also need to. There is also a short tutorial about it in the documentation page. You can check it out. And of course, if you want the documentation link, or you can find it in the announcement page. Okay, so I think that is basically the overall idea of today's project, Sui name service. Okay, mainly they have been already provided all the system, how all it is will be worked, and of course all the necessary details, how you are gonna create an address, I mean the name in the SuiNS service, and of course how you can edit and of course renew and update your avatars, etc, etc, all the things, how you can complete the details in there. Okay, so you can check it out, and all the get all the details necessary here. Okay, let me check out the Sui ID. Using the IPFS, you can create a Sui ID address connected to your SuiNS name to claim a spot on the decentralized web. The IPFS protocol enables you hosting peer-to-peer statistics, static sites or media that can associate with your SuiNS name. Okay, and here it is mentioned. Show me how. Here it is the simple tutorial. Thank you, Lab Chong Pyongyasem. Thank you for your nice comment. I'm gonna check it out this, but I'm gonna check it out your comment in my next segment, the live stream. There is also a market analysis session after this project introduction. Stay tuned for it. Okay, thank you for joining out. Thank you for your nice comment. Really appreciate you have joined and for your nice comment. Okay. Tell me how. Okay, you can also check it out all the necessary things that you. So I hope you got it. That is basically SuiNS basically is a naming service that is deployed on the Sui chain. And of course, all the things you need to know about the naming service have been provided in their documentation. interaction and comments in the chat box. I really appreciate that. Joined and for dropping your comments. Really appreciate your support. I hope you will support me in the future also, way you are doing now. Well, thank you everyone for joining the live channel. Shajid Khan also joins the live. Thank you, Rajit Khan and Crypto Voyager for joining out the live channel. Okay, the node operators, full nodes for the mainnet environment process the SuiNS names without additional configuration. The Miston Labs public nodes for testnet also resolve the SuiNS. Okay, that is the all the thing, the node operators, and if you want you can check it out the documentation, no problem. So that is all of the documentation part of the SuiNS, uh, I mean the SuiNS Sui name services. Okay, so that is the all over the documentation, you can check it out, no problem. If you want, of course, today's project, SuiNS, of course, it is a startup free offering. You can also let me know in the comment section. Okay. So I think, guys, I have already completed the introduction part of the today's project. Let's just jump into the next segment. Okay. How you can participate in the SuiNS project live stream. Okay. I really appreciate new user join and like comment. Thank you, guys. So how you can participate in the SuiNS startup free offering? That is simple. Okay, you just step one is to simply log into your Gate account, and of course you need to complete the KYC2 verification. It is must needed, and of course the step two is hold no less than $10 USD of spot asset, and now step three is claim. Okay, so dollar free claim. What it is means, guys, if you really appreciate all of you who are joining that live stream channel. Thank you guys for joining out the live stream. Okay, let me just show it to you how you can participate here. And of course, I'm going to check it out the participation rules. Okay, that is also very important. The participation rules is very simple. Okay, just check it out and show it. Startup participation rules. The higher the VIP level, the more startup airdrop shares can be claimed. Each user can receive up to 8,000 shares. For specific information about available shares, please refer to the announcement. This link. You can check it out, no problem. This link. Allocate much you will get. Okay. For the VIP zero user, it will be lucky draw, and of course, all the thing. The VIP one, how much share you will gonna get. That is all the thing you need to check it out. Okay, guys, if you want, you can check it out. No problem. That is the link in the announcement page, and of course, also comment section for this project information. Okay, I welcome if like, comment, support. Okay, so that means the higher your VIP level, the more shares you will get. That's the main. Non VIP users can of free airdrop by holding of no less than 10 years of spot assets. Okay, whether the non-VIP user will be announced at the end of the project subscription. A portion of lucky non-VIP users will be randomly selected, and the airdrop amount will be evenly distributed. So that's the number two, participation. Let me check out the number three participation rules. The user's VIP level will be checked when the tokens are distributed. The actual share per person will receive is calculated according to the VIP level when distribution happens. That is the number three rule. Number four rule is that announcement date results. Okay, after the subscription ends, the system will count all eligible subscription order and distribute the project tokens accordingly. The tokens for the VIP users will be distributed according to the ratio of their valid subscription amount, total valid subscription amount. Okay, and while non-VIP users will have a portion of lucky users randomly selected, evenly distribute the airdrop quota, and the subscription results will be announced before listing. And the note, there is important multiple accounts with the same KYC information when claiming the startup. Okay, you need to check it out the details. That is a very good thing. You need to check it out before you participate in here. Okay, so the main thing is that you need to check it out before out to you. When claiming startup shares will be deemed as cheating behavior, and any cheating behavior is prohibited, guys. That is the main thing, guys. Okay, and of course Gateio reserves the right to disqualify users who involved and forfeit their rewards. Okay, of course that is all the thing. The part. Okay, so where was I? Yeah, I was in the. Okay, so I think I have already told you about this one. So let's just jump into the startup part. Okay, what is the startup? And of course I'm going to show it to you how you can claim it. Okay, first of all let me just check it out. What is the startup? Okay, I what is the startup is all about. Like Gateio startup is the world's largest token launch platform where users can discover potential projects, participate in it, and of course get startup allocates. Okay, startup allocates tokens based on the share system. Eligible user can claim a certain share. Okay, and the more shares you can claim, the more rewards you will get. That's the main thing, guys. That's the main thing here mentioned. So I hope you got it. If you understand, of course, you can let me know in the comment area. Of course, let's. So basically, the startup is like that. The Gateway startup is the world's largest token launch platform where you can discover many potential projects and, of course, participate in those projects and receive some free airdrop token. Okay, that is the main thing that have been mentioned here. I hope you got my point. Okay, yeah, and of course, there is the VIP level. Okay, about the the shares you can claim. The depending on your VIP level, you will get the equivalent shares. Okay, so that is basically the main thing here. The VIP level is also very depending on how much shares you will get. Thank you, Crypto Luck, for your drop ID and live stream channel with me. Okay. So if you have like VIP 0, you will get lucky draw, and if you have like VIP 3 or 4, VIP 3 will get 100 shares, VIP 4 will get 200 shares. Okay, that is the thing, main thing here. And of course, if you have any question regarding the project information, you can also drop out. No problem. I'm going to check it out your question and try to answer your question. Okay. So that is the thing of the BIP. And there is also a question: how many tokens can I receive? Okay, the tokens received will be, there is a simple formula that they have been provided. It is like token received equal to the token share subscribed multiplied by per share plus multiplied by the distribution ratio. Okay, so that is the thing here already mentioned. So if you want to check it out how many tokens you get, you can math use formula. Okay, and of course there is also a question: do I need to pay a startup subscription, or are there any trading fees charged? And the answer is no. Okay, no funds are required when participating in free airdrop subscription. Okay, and of course if you have any question, startup, try my best to answer your question regarding the startups. There are also many question about the startup. How many times can I participate in the startup? You can participate in the same startup only once with each KYC account. Okay, but you can participate in other startup in progress that are currently running. That means, okay. And of course, when will you get the token? The final sale result will be announced before the trading starts. So you will get the token just before the trading starts. So no problem. If you want to join in, just join in, guys. Get some free airdrops. And other thing. Yeah. And how much airdrop can non-VIP users receive when the participating in airdrop? Okay, startup. I mean, the non-VIP users will get the airdrop with the lucky draw. Okay, the total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will be very depending on the project. The number of winners and the airdrop amount are not fixed. After non-VIP users participate in subscription, whether they win or not will be announced after the subscription ends. You get the results in the purchase or the project subscription page to the details. That is it. Okay, I think you have got it. And of course, can non-VIP users use startup vouchers to participate in a startup? And the answer is yes. Of course, you can. No problem. And can non-VIP users participate in the startup airdrop multiple times? And the answer is yes, they can. Non-VIP user can participate in a startup airdrop for different projects, and winners can be repeated across startup comment section. Let me just quickly deploy another red packet for all of you guys who are attending it. Just to wait a second, guys. And of course, if you have any question, okay, if you have any question regarding the startup, you can drop your question in the comment. I'm gonna try my best to check out your question. Okay, just deploy the red packet for you guys who are watching the today's live stream. Okay, I just deployed it. Done. So now, of course, there are also is airdrop GT holder exclusive airdrop, and of course, there are also an airdrop pre-order startup. There are all the startup. Okay, regular normal airdrop, and the other is GT holder airdrop, and the other is prime order startup prime. Okay, that is all the kind of startup that is available here. Okay, so now I think I've got startup is all about and how the startup works. I think you have got the general idea of it. Okay, so the today's main out. So let me just show you how you can join in the Gateio startup. First of all, you just need to the Gateio web, the startup segment here by clicking here, and after you went to the startup, just need to scroll down because we're gonna try to join the NS project. So I'm gonna show it to you how you can join here. Okay, so after you have went to the startup page, you claim. Okay, just need to click $0 free to claim, and it will be automatically. You need to click the I have read the agreement and click the $0 free to claim, and done, guys. Boom, you just joined the startup that easily. Okay, so that is super easy for you to. Of course, if you start in the startup, you can also let the comment section. I'm gonna check it out your comments. So guys, no problem, just drop in your comments. I'm gonna check it out. Okay, let me just quickly drop out some red packets for all of you guys who are attending the today's live stream session. Okay, because I really appreciate that you guys have been joining in. Thank you for joining in the live stream session, guys. I really welcome joining in. So I think I have already showed it to you how you can easily participate in the get your startup. Okay, so of course, guys, there is also a main thing that I totally forgot about it. That is the startup update, rule update. Or it is, yes, that is the thing. Okay, that is the main thing. Startup rule updates. What is the startup rule updates? Let me just, guys. So startup rule updates is that easier to claim airdrop. Gateio Startup is one of the largest token launch platforms, allowing users to participate at no cost and explore potential projects early stages. And currently, startup has completed a major upgrade, enabling users to participate with lower thresholds and receive airdrops more easily. Details are as follows. You can just click the join startup now by in the startup page. I have already showed it to you in this page. Okay, how you can join in the SuiNS startup project, and that is super easy to join. Of course, I'm going to show it to you how you can join the other projects, but let me just read it out the main rules. Okay, the major rule update about the startup. So the main updates in the startup participation rules for VIP users. Let me just check it out. The number one, it says for airdrop projects after subscription, sufficient balance is not required anymore before the token distribution. That is the number one rule. The number two rule is users who upgrade to VIP levels by holding assets will have their VIP level verified during token distribution, final determined by their VIP level at distribution. Okay, that is the two that is that's sorry, these two are the VIP. And let me just check it out for the non-VIP users. Rules for non-VIP users participating in the startup. Okay, all non-VIP users. Let me check out the number one. The number one is all non-VIP users with spot assets of no less than $10 can participate in the uh, enter the startup page and claim startup airdrops for free. Wow, that's a huge VIP users who have less than 10. Number two for the non-VIP user is that after non-VIP users participate in a subscription, whether they win or not will be announced after the subscription ends. Users can check the results in subscription or the project subscription page. Okay. Number three is non-VIP users are not guaranteed to receive startup airdrop tokens. Part of lucky non-VIP users will be randomly selected for each project and evenly distributed airdrop allocation. Number four is the total airdrop amount for VIP users will vary depending non-VIP users. I mean non-VIP users will vary depending on the project. Number of winners and airdrop amounts are not fixed. Please pay attention. Subscription. Okay, number five is for airdrop projects, sufficient balance is not required anymore. The airdrop tokens will be directly distributed to the spot wallet after the subscription ends. And number six, the non-VIP users. Non-VIP users who use startup vouchers to subscriptions, its higher time, and the startup vouchers guarantee 100% corresponding share. But users still need to hold spot assets of no less than $10. All the necessary rules you need to check it out. The major rule update. Of course, there are some notes. Of course, I'm going to read it out to you guys. The previous rule where non-VIP users were guaranteed to receive 3 shares of startup airdrop has been abolished in this upgrade. After the upgrade, non-VIP users with spot assets of no less than $10 can directly participate and receive airdrops if they win. Number two is all the existing subscription share rules for VIP users remain unchanged and they are eligible to receive the airdrop with a 100% guarantee. The higher the VIP level, the more startup airdrop shares they can subscribe. The number two note is that non-VIP users participate startup subscription will follow the partial winning mechanism with a random selection of users winning airdrops for each project, and winners can repeat it across different projects. Okay? And new rules. Number four is that new rules will take effect from 2 of August 25th UTC. Okay, and number fifth is that where any discrepancy arises between the translated version and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Number six, the most important one is that Gateio reserves all the rights to final explanation. Okay, so that is the fifth most important note that you should check it out before you uh, you check out the new startup rule, major rule updates. Okay, so I hope you got it. So now let me show it to you how you can join the other projects. You just need to go to the startup projects. Okay, simply you just need to go to the other projects and you can join the airdrop that are available currently running. I have already joined the today's main project, that is of course the which is NS SuiNS. NS. I have already joined that project. Now let me show it to you how you can join other project. If I join the Stella, okay, this project, you just need to go to the project page and click the hold GT to claim free airdrop, and just need to click I have read the agreements and hold GT and claim airdrop. Done. I have simply subscribed in project very easily. Okay, I hope you got it. And of course, if you want to subscribe to the next project, you can also click the subscribe next project button. No problem. And here also a message says, congratulations, you have subscribed the project successfully. In that way, how you can participate in the startup airdrop very easily. Got my point? Okay. So if you want to subscribe next project, you just need to click the subscribe next project and you will be redirected to the next project. Okay, let me just show it to you. Now that I have want to subscribe in the Gotacious Maximus to the second this project, I'll just go to there and click the $0 fee to claim, and then I have agreed, and boom, guys, I have already subscribed to this project. Okay, so that means I have already subscribed to startup that easily. Okay, I hope you got it, and it is token receipt is pending because it will be counted after it will be ended. Okay. And of course, let me just go to our main project because today we're going to talk about only SuiNS. Okay, I have already showed to you how you can join other projects very easily. Okay, so I have already told you, and there is also the VIP default shares have been already placed in the startup page. You can take it here, take it out. Problem. So now, of course, there is some additional. Want to check it out? There is also startup participation tutorial. If you want, you can check it out. But I have already showed you easiest way to participate in here. Okay, but if you don't understand after that one, you can also check it out the startup participation easy video tutorial that have been provided here. Okay, that is super simple. I just showed it to you the startup participation tutorial of out, no problem. Of course, there are some risk warnings. The startup project is still in initial stage. Factors including the operations and underlying technology of the project, other related to regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. But to technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto asset investment. Number three is the volatility of market is high and the price of token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory, and the marketing factors. Of course, you need to take that in mind. Of course, number four is users may not be able to withdraw all the purchase token due to the technical issues of the project or the Gateio. So I hope you got the main general idea of it. Okay. So now let me just show it to you about the invite and earn in the startup section. Okay, that is the startup referral carnival. What is the startup referral carnival? You just need to invite your friends to register or participate in the startup for the first time to win more airdrops. Okay, how you can participate in the startup referral carnival? That is also very easy. Just need to right now just copy your link. Okay, just copy your startup referral link by clicking the copy button here, and then boom, just share it with your friends and just give him the link, and when he register and complete KYC to verification, you will get your rewards. Of course, there is a simple thing I had it had already mentioned here. First of all, what needs to do? It mentioned here step by step. The number one is invite friends. Share the exclusive referral link with friends to invite them to register or join the startup subscription successfully for the first time. Then they will be your valid invitee. And the number two is earn stars. Stars earned according to the daily trading volume of the valid invitee within the 30 days. And the more trading volume of your invitee, the more stars you can earn. That is the main thing. And of course, swaps number three step is swap stars for shares. Okay, every 10 stars can be swap one startup shares. Okay, the more startup stars can swap more shares. Okay, that is the main thing about the startup referral carnival. I think you have got the general idea of it. If you have any question, of course you can let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna check it out all of your comments, so no problem regarding the today's project. And so let's see if you have any comments regarding the today's startup free offering project, that is SuiNS. Okay, if you have any question regarding this project, please drop your question in the comment box so that I can answer it out for you guys. Okay, so I think I have got all the information. Is the information that live stream session? Okay, I'm gonna just wait a bit and see if you have any question regarding the today's startup initial NS. Of course, guys, if you haven't joined the NS project, don't forget to join it out. Okay, ended very soon, and it is like, let me just show it. again. Okay, let me just show it to you again. The star, it will be ended like how much time is left? Let me just show it to you. Yes, it is like 1 day 17 hours. Okay, 1 day where the timer is 1 day 21 hour and 53 minutes remaining. Okay, for the startup offering to be ended. So before the time runs out, just join in and get some free airdrops from the startup. Participate startup. I have already haven't got it. I can also show it again, no problem. Let me just show it again. The Genify art startup ad where it had already been running. You just need to hold, click the button here, and of course click the here. I have read the and agreed the subscription agreement, and click the hold GT and claim, and done, guys. Boom, you have successfully subscribed. At the mention successful. So in that way, subscribe to any startup projects that is running. Okay, you have understood all the necessary things that is necessary for the today's project. And of course, if you have any question regarding the project, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. Let me just quickly check it out your comment. Have any regarding the today's project? I'm gonna live stream session with today. So I think don't you have no question about regarding this project. So that is all for it today. I'm gonna see you in my next and interesting live session. So till for now, bye bye.